Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing the visual first. This gives your voice a precise timing reference. Once you review the clip, tap the check mark and open VoiceOver. This lets you record over specific segments. Make sure to select the exact region you want spoken, then press record and speak close to the mic for clarity. If you need multiple lines, stop and re-record each segment. This keeps clips tight and lets you control pacing and emphasis for each shot. Once done recording, you move into editing to make the audio match visuals. Use trim and split to cut breaths or pauses, and drag the waveform to sync with on-screen actions. Auto-sync can speed this up, but manual nudges are often cleaner. Make sure to lower background music so your voice sits above it. Reduce the music by about 6 to 12 decibels for clarity. Then preview front to back to confirm natural timing and comfortable pacing. To finish, always preview the complete video and listen on headphones and a speaker to catch volume or sync problems. Once satisfied, add captions and finalize filters or text, then post with recommended 1080p export for sharp visuals. If your voiceover is missing, first check microphone permissions and app cache, clear cache, and restart. If timing is off, reopen VoiceOver, delete the offending clip, and re-record that segment. This targeted fix saves time and keeps the rest intact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.